Today I will conduct a finalization of my project plan, which is creating a bed for my to the room. So I will inform my subordinate, which is Adrian and Arnix. So today guys, I would like to inform the two of you of my actual plan of this project, which is creating bed for a room. So Adrian, I will assign you to do a bed, and also you're the carpenter of this project. And also you are next are doing the labor. You will buy the materials in the store and other stuff that we need to create this project. To create this project. So am I clear?
Yes.
Yes.
So that's your assigned work. That's your assigned work to do. So kuman kay kahibaw na sa kamun kung ano iyong mga angay trabahoon. So I expect na mabuhat niyo to na og tarong kay and ako po da sa project manager. So kinahanglan ta mo i-guide para mabuhat na nato og ma-reach nato nga na goal sa ako project plan. So maura to. Oh, so any suggestion? Wala na. Sige, thank you. Thank you.